The Maverick is on a mission of peace this evening. We're reaching out to the angry mob. Yes. We're declaring a truce between the angry Jamaican football mob and star player Leon Bailey. Because they all want to lynch him for these comments about representing Jamaica. Listen.
Jamaica national team is not doing anything for me, you know. Jamaica national team can't really do much for me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And reason why I say that Jamaica national team cannot give me exposure, you know, bro. Jamaica playing for the national team, now gonna make Real Madrid call me, you know. And me a shine light on the national team, basically, you know.
Angry mob, give him a chance, a good youth, give him the benefit of the doubt. He was upset and disappointed about his suspension from the national team. So give him a chance to vent. Yes. He said some things that don't sound good. And as usual, he criticized the JFF and he says he wants a break from representing Jamaica. So give him some space, make him take some breeze and return when he's ready. Yes. Peace, not right. Peace, Leon Bailey, peace. No meeting, no.